Ayaw mo pagkataw talaga. Okay, yung.
It is with great joy and excitement that we welcome you all to this grand and enchanting event, the King and Queen of Hearts 2025. Today, we gather to witness a celebration of beauty, confidence, and grace. A royal affair where we honor not just charm and elegance, but also the values of leadership, camaraderie, and kindness. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be mesmerized as we embark on this magical journey of hearts. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all rise for the royal entrance, the royal court of the day, the lovely princesses and dashing princess who will grace us with their presence. Princess Charis S.